Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone alarm clock not working on iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, delete alarm and don't add new one before doing these steps. Number 1. Check date and time. First launch settings, then tap general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Number 2. Disconnect Bluetooth or turn off Bluetooth. Go to settings, tap on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth. Number 3. Uninstall any third-party alarm app if you have anyone. Solution number 4. Check the latest iOS version. For that, first launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Now we go for solution number 5. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. After reset the all settings, now go back to clock and add a new alarm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.